Everything is getting smarter these days. Your cars, your phones, and now even your window treatments. If you think you can't afford smart blinds or that installation is too complicated, it's time to take another look.
A lot of people think that smart shades aren't for everyone, that they're for people with luxury homes or that you need to have some complicated tech setup. But at SmartWings, we've made sure that our shades integrate with every major system. And if you get our new Matter motor, you can actually pair directly to your Apple iPhone. No hub needed.
SmartWings window coverings are designed to be approachable, custom-made, and easy to install right out of the box.
SmartWings shades are produced in China at our advanced facility, where we bring together the best in design and the best in R&D to consistently create beautiful shades. Every shade is going to be custom made, whisper quiet, and easy to install. Smart shades are designed to make your home seamlessly and effortlessly more comfortable. They're responding to things like your schedule, the temperature, and light. They're reducing sun glare, protecting your privacy, gently waking you up in the morning and tucking you into bed at night.
SmartWings really is a DIY type of solution for shades. They really have a simple and thoughtful process that makes it very easy for any customer. First, you want to go ahead and take your own measurements for the windows and doors that you want to get treated. Then you want to make sure you go to SmartWings and get the booklets so that you get all the samples. Once you have the samples, place your order online, wait for the shades to come in a couple of weeks, get your drill out, and just go from there.
Motorized blinds and shades don't just add convenience, they add so much more.
Every SmartWings shade is custom made. You're going to choose from hundreds of fabrics, sheer, light filtering, eco-friendly, blackout, and then you're going to choose your controls, remote, wall switch, app control, voice control, and then you enjoy beautiful custom shades made specifically for you. From our customers, we hear a lot of different things. Obviously, energy use is among them, benefits in just kind of a more calm environment that's cozier and more private. One of the more interesting ones I heard was that somebody was noticing their furnishings and rugs were holding up better because they weren't constantly taking that direct sunlight. And that's pretty cool. It's those small little things that really add up and make a big difference.
SmartWings smart blinds and shades connect with the most popular platforms and systems.
The app is very cool. You've got timers on there, you've got scenes that you can create on there. It's just a one button press on the app and it makes everything go to the level that it needs to go to. You've got manual, battery powered, electric with low voltage, and electric with high voltage. All work very easily, and on top of that, if you get battery powered, you can get the solar panel charger to make sure that it doesn't run out of battery as often. No matter what style home you have, no matter how old or new it might be, there's going to be a solution with SmartWings if you want to get shades put up inside your house.
Beyond the technology, the true value of SmartWings shades lies in the everyday comfort and convenience they bring to homeowners.
The quality of the shade was way nicer than anything else I've ever had in the past. We have OLED TVs and they are extremely sensitive to glare. No matter day or night, I can watch TV in comfort. I was a little nervous to take on the challenge of installing the blinds, but with the instructions provided and the materials included, it was extremely simple to put it on.
If I had to give advice to someone looking to start a new window covering project, I would say to start on how you want each room to feel. After you have this vision, SmartWings is ready to help you make it a reality. And in no time, you will find that your home feels more intentional, more comfortable, and more you.
To learn more about how SmartWings Home can bring smart technology into your home, visit their website, smartwingshome.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.